What's going on, everybody? Bones here with CAJUNRNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. My geese, the family, they are throwing a hissy fit right now. They should be enjoying the water puddles, but they throwing a fit. Don't know why. They toddlers. Don't understand them. But anyway, y'all here for some BOUDIN stuffed chicken. That's right, people. But this ain't just regular BOUDIN. This is crawfish and pork BOUDIN. It's gonna be tasty. We gonna hit it up with some Saints and Sinners Blue Line, the competition blend. Chicken. Stick around, we're gonna get right to it. Your ingredients for your BOUDIN stuffed chicken. 1 chicken, some crawfish BOUDIN, Saints and Sinners Blue Line competition blend chicken rub, and some. Alright, got the chicken out the packaging, patted it dry. First things first, we're going to go ahead and throw some of this Saints and Sinners competition blend down inside of it. There we go. We're going to start taking some of our BOUDIN. And shoving it inside. BOUDIN is a combination of generally pork and rice. Now, because the cavity is filled, the chicken will take a little bit longer to cook. But that's okay. You get a nice tasty treat. There we go. Now the next thing you want to do, start peeling back this skin because you want to expose the meat now. This way you can get the seasoning onto the meat. Go ahead, put the skin back over top of it. Season the skin. We're going to use the meat stick now. Stick it now inside. And you're good to go. Today we're using a Pit Boss Classic. We're going to go ahead, open up the door, turn it on, turn it to smoke. Today we're using Traeger's Summer Shandy pellets. It's got Leinenkugels, beer inside of it. It's going to make it taste oh so good. It's got alderwood, citrus, and I think it's got some hickory or oak with it too. So nice roundabout pellets for some chicken. Now that all that white smoke is gone, that you don't want any of that in your food, go ahead, shut the lid down, turn it up 350 degrees. We're up to temp, so we're going to go ahead and throw it on the grill. There we go. We're about halfway through on this cook. We're going to check out that chicken. Oh yeah, we looking real good. I'm going to go spray it down with some oil. Try to crisp up that skin. Alright, and we're done. we're done. It took about an hour plus, hour and a half, somewhere in that ballpark. Wasn't really keeping too much track of time, but roughly about an hour, hour and a half. So, we're done. Let's go in for a piece of that boudin first. Since I had an extra piece, gonna go ahead and just try that. Oh yeah, so delicious. Love boudin. Just search the internet for boudin. There's companies out there that will ship it to your house. Trust me, once you get it, you'll love it. You can smoke it. You can fry it. It's oh so good. Let's go in for a piece of that chicken now. So moist, so juicy, it's dripping all over the board. So good. Got that paprika, the ancho chili powder, salt, pepper, onion, garlic. So good. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day.